Hi, this is Manish Patel with blackbar.com. Today is September 27, 2025. This is our AI forecasting weekly results. We've been doing this every week since 2023 to show you exactly how our AI forecasting works. The way it is that we have a list at the beginning of the week of estimates that are going to move, and at that point all we have to do is look for it to break the high or low of the previous week bar high. It's as simple as that. If you have a green background, you're actually going to bet on it only going up, breaking the previous week high. If it's a bearish, if it's a red background, you're going to bet on it breaking the previous week low, and you're betting on it going down. If there's no background, it means it's consolidating. At that point, you could break the high or low, which way you're looking for. So week by week, we've been showing the results on the weekly time frame for U.S. stocks, currencies, futures. Every so often, we'll do other things like crypto and stuff like that, but it works for any instrument in any time frame. If you want to see any of the videos of the previous week results, you could hear, if you look at the bottom right hand corner, this gives you a website and also gives you the YouTube playlist where all of these weekly videos are posted. So let's begin. This week we had 14 winners, 3 break even, and 2 losses. Not bad considering how the markets were very volatile, and you're kind of ending up close to the end of the month, end of the quarter. So you kind of start things just kind of slow down, which you're starting to see. Here are the winners here. These are the ones that have a shade, so they're trending. This is UNP, that was a bullish, that was a winner. OIH, this was oil. ETF, that's a winner. DGX was a winner here. CSX was a winner. PSX was a winner. GRMN was a winner. And then we had one future here, which is soybean futures, that was bearish, that was a winner. This is a trade here. This was actually a winner too. I don't know why that's there, not there. So PVH here, this was break even. We do have a point where price goes up or down a certain amount. At that point, we do change our stop to break even. And these are the scenarios that we got out of break even. So PVH, we got out of break even. UPS, which was bearish, we got out of break even on that one. MLM, this is one that we took a loss. The red dot is basically where our stops are, our initial stop when we enter. The blue is where we enter. So this was a risk that was defined at the beginning of the trade. That was a loss there. And VMC here, this was a loss too. We entered right there and closed out here. So it didn't quite get to the red dot, which is our max risk per trade, but it got a little, just a little below our entry. So minimum risk on this one, minimum loss on that one. Okay, so those are the trending opportunities. These are the non-shaded opportunities, which we call consolidation breakouts. So this is FCX here. This was a bearish trade here. MSI was a bearish trade. CAH was a bullish trade. UCO was bullish. Notice a lot of the oil stocks kind of broke out, or oil ETFs. Okay, NEE, energy related, that broke out bullish. COP, ConocoPhillips, bullish. So energy, oil, you had a lot of bullish scenarios there. Campbell Soups, Campbell Company here, this was bearish. And then over here, this was a trade we didn't enter because we wanted to hit the red dot before it hits the blue when you don't have a shade. So this, even though this did break the previous week low and it was profitable, we did not enter the trade based on the requirements. Estee Lauder here, this is a bearish trade here that we got out of break even. So if you summarize again, it's not 14 winners, it's actually 15 winners, 3 break even, and 2 losses. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us in the comments section. Also, please like and share this video too. Thank you.